Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my simple effortless makeup look. If you really want to see how I achieve this look, make sure that you stick till the very end. So let's begin with my makeup. I'm going to be starting with my makeup right now. So the first thing that you need to do is wear a sunscreen. So the sunscreen that I'm wearing right now is a Neo Starter and this is SPF 50 and I absolutely love it. It's a physical sunscreen, so you always wear a sunscreen before you do your makeup. The next thing that I'm gonna be using is Fenty Beauty Ease Drop. It is in the shade 12. It's blending into my skin like it's magic. I absolutely love it. It's like a build up coverage makeup foundation, so it is like you don't have to go ahead and search for something that you have to mix two foundation together, but this just goes and blends well with Indian skin tone, that too yellow tint. I absolutely love this foundation. So the product is like watery consistency, if you can see. It's just like perfect, and I just wanted to show you like how well it blends into my skin. So this is what it looks like. And before I start dotting it all over my face, I'm gonna keep my face mist ready by Isadora. It is a prime, fix and moisturizing face primer. It is like a mist, it's like a face spray. So I'm just gonna dot it first of all everywhere. Then I'm gonna be using my face mist by Isadora, and I'm just gonna spray it everywhere. Then I have my beauty blender with me, and I'm just gonna start blending my makeup into my skin. The thing about this foundation that I absolutely love is that it really gets into your skin and nicely sets on your skin. It looks like it's your skin, you know. It doesn't look like you're wearing a foundation. And that's the best part about Fenty Beauty products. I absolutely love them. She has variety of shades, and she has shade for Indian skin tone because it's very hard to find it for Indian skin tone people. She has it, and I really respect Fenty Beauty foundations, even the loose powder. Absolutely love it, and I would recommend it to everyone. It is fragrance free. That's the best part about this whole makeup line. Once I have applied it like a smooth base, then I am just gonna take a few more drops from the Ease Drops, and I'm just gonna apply it under my eye area, and I'm just gonna cover it here. And the thing that I like to do is like I take like 2 drops and that is it. Take the face mist again and I just spray it here. When I spray the face mist here, I'm just gonna mix it with the pointed edge of my beauty blender, and then I'm just gonna apply it near my eye area. And in the corners of my nose, because I have a darker skin over there, and also on my blemish marks. And yeah, voila, I'm done with the basic base of my face. So once done with the base, I am gonna take my Dior foundation. Over here I have Dior Undercover 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. It is in the shade 45, and I absolutely love this shade because it is good for contouring, but I did not find any perfect shade which can blend well with my base of the face, so I had to struggle with blending 45 and 035 all the time. But I'm gonna use 45 just to contour my face because it contours very beautiful and effortless. I absolutely love it. So what I'm gonna do is like first shake it nicely, and then I'm just gonna take a simple drop. That's it. I'm just again gonna take my beauty blender, and then I'm just gonna go ahead with my forehead. Just gonna nicely make a matte finish to it there. So when you have a contour, it should look natural on your skin. It should not look like you have overdone it. So just want to make it blend as natural as possible. And Dior foundation rocks. Trust me, I am using it for quite some time. I absolutely love Dior foundation. And then I'm just gonna blend on the forehead. My forehead is quite big, so I like to just contour it as much as I want, and I want to give a nice shape to my face. I have a strong cheekbone, so I like to emphasize it on more, and then from the back side of my sponge, I just like to blend it so that it looks more natural and not overdone. And whatever product is remaining, I like to shape my nose from that, the edge point of the sponge, and I'm just gonna draw a straight line like this and like this. The thing about defining your nose is that it looks like an illusion that you have a straight nose, but I don't have a straight nose. I have a really big nose and I cannot hide that, but I don't even want to do surgery because I like it natural. So just take a sharp point and just try to blend it like it's natural. So this is how the contouring looks like. It's like perfect, and you can see that the base color and my neck color almost matches. So that is the best part about Fenty Beauty shades. She has like around 50 and plus shades for everyone out there. If you want to choose any sort of shade, you can go. So I usually buy it from Sephora, Fenty Beauty products, and they are just absolutely mind-blowing. Love it. Now that I have done my base and contouring on my face, I'm gonna set everything up with my Sephora full coverage translucent powder. So it's in 00 universal shade. Absolutely love it. It's such an amazing setting powder. It is also fragrance free. All the products that I'm using here are fragrance free. None of them have fragrance in it, and that is the reason why I choose it. As you can see, there is this loose powder, and I have like a use and throw sponge. So first thing that I'm gonna do is like dip the powder and then apply it on my T-zone area. The translucent powder is so magical that it doesn't even seem like you're wearing an extra powder layer. It's just sitting on your foundation as well as your contour. It doesn't even look like you're wearing extra. The thing about not using a different contour kit and just using it with the foundation makes it look much more natural. Because when you have a contour stick, what happens is that it looks like you have done contouring. But when you have a foundation which is in a darker shade and sits well with your skin, it looks like it's natural. That's the reason why I absolutely love to put the foundation which is darker than my skin tone and then just blend it as much as I want. Alright, I'm done with my face. That is it for the face. And then I'm gonna move ahead with my eyebrows to make it look as natural as possible. I have the Art Deco Ultra Fine Brow Liner in the shade 21, and it has like a brush to it over here, like a very fine brush. It's so natural finish to your eyebrows. Like, I absolutely love Art Deco products as well. So I'm just gonna go and cover my eyebrows as natural as possible, not overdoing it. Then with the help of this brush, I'm just gonna blend it just to give it a nice natural finish to my eyebrows. So for the eyeliner, I'm taking the Maybelline eyeliner, and it is very thin stick over here, and I'm gonna keep the eyeliner as close to my lashes so that it's like natural and it seems like I'm wearing a liner or not. You see, it makes a huge difference. This side looks so much nicer than this side without the liner. I even created a small wing near the end of my eyes so that it can give a nice shape. And then I'm gonna move ahead with my mascara to open up my eyes. For the mascara, I have a L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara, and then I have Maybelline. So I always start with the Maybelline with the false lashes, and then I move ahead with the L'Oreal just to give a touch up. Then I'm gonna do it to the lower lashes as well. Then I'm gonna move ahead with my L'Oreal mascara. It is very different than this one. It just tries to break open all the sticked lashes. And then this will go to the eyebrows, the remaining, just to make my eyebrows set at a place. I do have a crazy eyebrows, long hairs over there, so they want to just, you know, go everywhere. Just want to be everywhere. Not my face, my eyes is done. For the lips, well, I always have a tissue aside because I'm wearing a lip balm and I want to get rid of it. I'm just gonna take my lip balm off, and yeah, depends what color I want to wear in a day. Sometimes I want to keep it nude, sometimes I want to keep it red, sometimes pink. So today I want to keep it nude because I'm going for a meeting and I want it as natural as possible. To achieve the nude glossy look, I love the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. It's in the shade Stone 008, and it has a nice color, nude color to it. Just take out the excess of the product and I just take a little bit on the tool. You see, it's as natural and glossy as possible. It doesn't have that, you know, chapped lips when you are applying it, and it doesn't have those lines when you are trying to talk even. That's why I love this lip gloss. It's very affordable, easy accessible from the drugstore. One of my favorite glosses. Not expensive, but so good. So this is the complete look, guys, and that's how I like to do my makeup on everyday basis when I'm going out. Yes, I do like to keep my eyes a bit darker because I'm Indian and I like to keep it darker and natural at the same time. I don't wear kajal all the time, but I do wear kajal when I'm going for some Indian event. But today is not that thing. I'm going for a meeting, so I want it to be casual and subtle and yet so flawless at the same time. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure that you hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye.